coffee. Damn, she's looking good. Even with that air compressor. That tire is in need of replacement. Hey, what's up you guys? Randy Shaw here. Welcome back to another video. I'm challenging myself to upload 30 videos within the next 30 days. Now, some of this stuff I already have some content filmed, but most of it I don't. Really, I want to do this because I want to set a goal. I want to try to get better at getting uploads up to you guys. I want to try to get quicker at editing, get better at planning, and really go all in on the YouTube channel. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. The 30 days, it's definitely pretty extreme. Nobody really does that. So some videos will be shorter than others, but there'll be a lot of good DIY content in there, car shows, POV content. Speaking of, this video, to start it off, it's gonna be some POV content driving down to Miami in my 3000 GT VR4. So, hope you guys enjoy the content. Hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see, and make sure to subscribe because really taking it to the next level with this channel. Enjoy. Cruise around, see what we got here. Nice M2, GNX, beautiful. All right, Cars and Coffee, Miami. Always good show in here. Love those. Nice trunk lid, little ducktail. Heat 36, love those. Good man. Ooh, ISF. Hell yeah. Love me a Lexus V8. Really love this M3. Very tasteful. Oh, look at this body! Where's he going? Oh, we got the Eclipses there. Nice. Oh, got the K. Ooh, look at 2000, dog. Got the MK4 Supra. Ooh, turbo 911. Love that. It is. We got a 1 Series, hell yeah. Convert. Like that's a JDM aisle. I'll loop back around. Yeah, like we're in Too Fast, Too Furious. out, guys. Wide load here. Bunch of Grand Nationals. Nice. Back seat there. Got this nice 1 Series here. Hell yeah. First gen Soarer and the 300ZX. Or technically fairly designed. Sick. VR4. It's like my little cousin. Almost timed it perfectly. That wraps it up for the Cars and Coffee today. Very hot day, but a lot of hot cars. I didn't get a whole lot of footage, not nearly as much as I wanted to. Spent a lot of time talking to a lot of friends, meeting new friends, checking out really cool cars, especially that Lotus Esprit V8 Turbo. Whew, that's on my list. I'm gonna get one of those one day soon. Well, anyway, hope you guys like the content. If so, hit a like. Let me know what you want to see. Leave a comment below and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.